Hello friends, my name is Zulkarnain and today we will discuss about the polar and the non-polar molecules. What is a polar molecule? A polar covalent bond is an unequal sharing of electrons between the two atoms. You will see above the diagram, this is the unequal forces and unequal peoples which is tying the rope unequally. Two are the one side and almost 4 to 3, 7 are on the other side. This is the unequal force, meaning that the polar bonds are formed when there is a difference between the electronegativity. The covalent bond which is formed by the two atoms are mutually shared electrons. The both the atoms have different electronegativity. What is electronegativity? The ability of an atom to attract a shared pair of electron towards itself. This is called electronegativity. This is the force that enables to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself. The electron density is distributed asymmetrically throughout the molecules, means that the powerful atoms, in other words, the most electronegative atom is most powerful and it attracts the shared electron towards itself. For example, what hydrogen, oxygen and hydrogen, water molecule, ammonia molecule and H2S. In the next slide you will see that the polar covalent bond HCl. Chlorine is a bigger molecule and have the more electronegative atom than hydrogen atom. Hydrogen is 2.1 and chlorine has 2.9 electronegativity. Next slide. This is the polar bonds. In other slides we will discuss about the polar molecules. Polar means that to create charges on the end side of the molecule, positive on the one side and a negative on the other side. This is because only due to the difference in electronegativity. And other part is, what is a non-polar molecule? It is the opposite to the polar molecules. It is a equal sharing of electrons between two atoms. When the two same atoms or similar atoms, means that which have similar electronegativity, have the tendency to distribute the electrons equally. A polar covalent bond is equal sharing of electrons between two atoms. Polar bonds are formed when there is similar electronegative and similar the electronegative values of the atoms participate in the bond. Means that non-polar bonds are formed when the non-polar bond is formed between the similar electronegativity values of the atoms. The electron density is distributed symmetrically within the molecule. You will see that in the next diagram, both hydrogen and hydrogen have the same electronegativity, and the ability of an atom to attract the shared pair of electron toward itself is the same. That's why this is hydrogen molecule is a non-polar molecule, and the Cl2 chlorine is also a non-polar molecule. BF3 is also a non-polar molecule because the fluorine and fluorine, three atoms of the fluorine are assist on that position. All the attractive forces will cancel each other, and that overall forces will become zero. That's why this is a non-polar molecule. This is the example. This is a classification of the bonds. There are three types of the bonds: non-polar, polar and the ionic. Non-polar means that the electronegative difference between the two atoms is 0 or 0.4 up to 0.4. That will be the non-polar covalent bond, and the polar molecule will be 0.5 above. The electronegativity difference is above 0.5 to 1.9. If this difference is increased by 2 to 4, and this will be the ionic bond. For example, NaCl. NaCl is a ionic bond which is formed between sodium has a one positive charge and chlorine is one negative charge. The overall charge is overall charge is neutral, but This it is the ionic bond and ionic bond, and this is the ionic covalent bond. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please share and comment, and we will discuss another topic with news, better and better quality and the better topic to discuss itself.